Tignan natin.
Pwede lang dito ko. Kala ko mo ko ng call.
Ayan tol, ikaw na nga, nakatapat na eh.
Grounded. Ano ba ako? Ngayon lang.
Grabe tol, tutok na.
3 piso sa kuligo.
Oh, Grant.
Teka lang, bababay
Ito
na
po
ako.
yung isa. Sumubo, yung kapangalan ko.
Uuwi na kami ha, bye-bye. Ito na kasama namin, no? Yan.
Naglalag, paano makikita? Kuya Mike.
That's our school. Tagal?
This was our school. Landmark yung nakita. Ilaw yung nakita dito. Dito na lang.
Nakakita ba?
Ilaw lang nakikita eh. Ayan. Ang balgo. Sarine, Grant. Ito nga pala yung subo na subo kanina. Na-late yung pagkuha namin eh.
Kon! Tigil! Uwi na kami. Tigil!
Bye-bye. May hawak ako eh. Siyempre akong sound effect.
Wala ka na. Wala ka na. Fuck you!
I hate you.
Fuck you!
I hate you!
Oo nga naman. Makasama na kami. Bye-bye.
Ingat!
Kaya, hindi ka talaga kontento, tol. Say hi naman to the Philippines and
Hi.
and to all.
Hi, Sol. I want to take my...
Thank you.
I want to take my outfit. Thank you, outfit.
Eto si Mr. President. Ayun, tumusok na. Boy, fish boy. Ayun, sibuyas, tapos sauce. Ano?
Ay, nice to meet!
Joke.
Joke!
Tumusok na naman. Bilangin nyo yan ha, pang 2 piso na yan.
Piso ba?
Pang piso ba lang ba?
Tapos, isa pa. Yum.
Nakikita to eh. Ayun, tumusok na naman.
Ako na naman ang binabagtrapan nyo, no?
Ayan, sibuyas, toast.
Tigilan nyo ako.
Pakita mo, pare. Okay. Eto pa, eh. Ayan ang aking kakambal. Kumakain rin ng fishball.
Bumalik ako, Tol, kasi may nakalimutan. Bye-bye.
Kumain na kami.
Ito na naman si Mr. President. Susubo na lang. Susubo na naman. Bilangin nyo, pang 150 na yan. Uwi na daw talaga sila. Pero hindi pa sila umali.
Hindi nga, bye-bye. Yan, alas 2 yung pasok mo.
Saan?
Uwi na kami.
Dito tayo sa harap.
Sarap. Sa likod.
Harap.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Cam! Bye-bye, Cam! Bye-bye, Cam!
Sino mo?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Oh, it's raining, man.
Ako!
Ingat, mga tol.
Sabi mo pa si Magra photo sagot ko.
Go, girl!
Baklaya. Ano, bakit nag-vlog mo nandun na nag-vlog mo? Hindi pa nandun niya nag-vlog. Andrew, para ba ito?
Mumurain. Una may iwanan.
Pamasahe mo pa uli na yun, mukha naman.
Uy! Nasarapan ka. Uy, sakto kay Mr. President.
Kumain na ako. Sarap! Ulit!
Murit.
Ay, ulit!
Ayan, 2 araw kong bagong gupit yan, pero di halata.
Pagiguha. Dito, diba?
Nakakatakot na
Abay, pinang-inggit pa. Umusok na naman. Buyag. So, one more time.
Pinakain mo, Tol. Tol, pinipilang mo ba yung pinakain mo, Tol?
Tapos na.
Hap, dali ka na.
Abay, pinunas daw dito.
Sabi mo, naka-10 piso ka na, bro.
Mahalang stick ngayon. Akala mo lang.
Ako, dalawang piso ka. Dalawang piso yan.
This is Mark. Arvin Grant. John. Eto si Jason.
Ano?
Quarter.
Ah! Hindi ko alam!
And this is Mr. President. Yeah, I hate you.
Ay, gusto sa lalaki.
Remember yung quarter? Hanggang dito na lang po muna at magbibilangan sila ng pera.
Thank you, Muski, for my shirt.
Oh, thank you na. It's time to thank your sponsors.
Wait. Thank you for my shoes.
Yep.
I don't know
Or anything else, excuse me, I would like to thank my mother, my father, especially my parents, and I would like to thank my outfit. Thank you, outfit, and I would like to thank Pacquiao for my makeup and
Yeah. How about funeral home of Enriquez?
I would like to thank
Adrian.
Enrique Fueraga and Enriquez for my home service. I would like to thank Biggest Salam for my hairstyle today. My uniform for my mother.
Time to thank our sponsors.
Thank you for my parents.
I would like to thank
you, parents. I would like to thank my mother,
How about your
especially my
earlier?
nanay. I would like to thank my father, especially my tatay.
How's your mama's and papa's name naman? Hindi mo rin ba ano yun?
My mother's name is the name of my mother.
Yeah.
My father's name is the name of my father.
Oh. Oh yeah, man. Basta sigala kung may mihin.
Would you like to order anything? I would like to greet my friend. Get well soon. Oh no, his name is Soon. Get well soon. Would you
sucks, man.
Would you like to order anything? I'd like to order.
Sir, can you spell soon?
S-O. I'll just spell it soon. Wala mo.
Lakas! Tigil!
Iba naman,
Sige, saan mo kalita? Pare, patay ka sa manok na
Mark, alis ka naman tayo. Dance in place. Hataw in place. Iba na pare. Iba na ngayon. Lakas na tamak. Lakas mo doon. Lakas.
Speaking netol.
Magaling ang ano.
At speaking A.
Tayo. Oo naman. Ano gagawin ko?
Dance in place. Hataw in place. Wala lang. Ganyan lang. Dance eh. Ilan na minuto?
9 minutes.
Naman, yan ko na naman, oh. Yes!
Yeah!
Malapit na matapos. Ayan ang aking kakambal. Oh, Superman.
Wala si Superman, no? Wala na.
But, si ano pa lang yan? Si
I would like to thank
Superman.
thank you.
This is Superman.
Sandali lang, tol. Ayan po at makikita nyo si Andrew.
Ay!
Darna. I would like to thank you.
Ay, kambal.
Ayan po at kambal.
Kambalin.
Yung kambalin po.
I would like to thank Elmar Barber Shop for my dress. Jay?
And,